Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put holes in ceramic or glazed pots. Get some water, pour it on there. That's to keep the drill bit, the diamond drill bit, from getting overheated. That's the diamond drill bit. And you normally want some kind of you need a surface to kind of get a hold of the pot. I know I'm probably saying that wrong, but okay. So you see how this has like paper on there? If you don't have paper, get you some painter's tape and put something there so it can have a little grip. What you want to do is you want to angle it first. You want to have it like at a kind of like a little angle, a little groove. You want to make a little groove first, a little indentation. Go slow. Pick up the speed. You don't want to go straight down. You want to come at an angle. So I'm gonna show you what I just did. So you put a little groove there. Stay at an angle, like a little 45-degree angle. You can go a little faster then. Rinse that off. So you see that how it's just like a little groove. Now I'm gonna go straight up on it. Once I have that, let's see. Put a little bit more pressure. Okay. I'm gonna go on that same spot. Take some of the water off. I'm not gonna put any more water on it because I think it's enough now. And because it should be about to go through in just a minute. The thicker the ceramic, I'm just checking the hole to make sure it's not clogged. The thicker the ceramic, the longer it might take to go through it. Pull it out. And there's your hole. Okay.
I'll just run down it.
Hey y'all, this is your girl Nikki, aka the Bayou Chick, and I'm back with another video, just showing y'all really quickly because I got things to do. It's about 10 o'clock p.m. on January the 15th, 2021, and I had told the ladies that I was going to show them how I drill holes in my ceramic, basically any pot. So these little cute little planters right here, picked them up at Five Below, and I just got into the Mandalorian, and I binge watched it, and I watched the whole entire seasons. I think it was maybe, I don't know, I watched it all the way to the Luke Skywalker end. So I watched all the seasons. So when I saw this mug, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta have it. I don't know if it was supposed to be like a soup bowl, coffee mug, or whatever, but I instantly was like, yeah, I'm gonna put some plants in here. So I came home, pulled out the diamond drill bit, drew some holes in it. I will be potting these up. Got a couple of these, and also I stopped and picked up some of these Black Girl planters. Oops, sorry, Black Girl planters, and gotta wipe them off because that's from drilling them. And gonna pot these up with some of my tropicals because tropicals do really well in ceramic glazed pots, because these kind of pots do better. They hold moisture longer, they hold the wetness longer. So I'm gonna put some of my tropicals in here. I have some Hoyas that I propagated. I did some chopping prop from them last night. So I'm gonna take some of these. I was gonna do leca with them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do leca in these pots. I really don't know. I know I could do it. I could do the wicking action, but I'm not sure. But either way, I gotta pot these lecas up. But any type of tropicals that I have, I'm gonna go around and just like take some clippings, and I'm gonna place these in these pots. I just kind of want to get an idea of how it's gonna look with like the little hair features. This one here came in from Macy's today. A little crocodile one. It was so cute. I wanted to put it in the boys' room, like, you know, by their little children's book. And so I drilled a hole in this one. It did not. None of these pots came with holes, by the way, y'all. So I put holes in all of them, and so my diamond drill bit. Yeah, it came in handy. So, all right. Yeah, that's about it. And talk to y'all later. All right, bye.